final. There will be 9 on Wiener Dog Weekend. Number 1 will be Frankie for Tara Bruce. Number 2, Fritzl von Schnitzel for Jessica Thomas. Number 3 is Trevor for Carolina Richardson. Number 4, DeeOgee for Suzanne Fetting. 5 is Reed, Laura Lopez. 6 is Roger for Nancy Spicula. 7 is Trip for Tanya Akehurst. Number 8 is Lenny Shannon for Andrew Shannon. And the 9, Handsome Frank for Paula Bell. Dogs are now being placed in their respective gates. This is the final to see who's the top dog for 2015 at Hastings. Starter Joe Gray has given them their final instructions. Big prize money on the line. And they're up. And very quickly, Roger, but now moving through. Oh, very close. It's DeeOgee and Fritzl von Schnitzel. In a photo, we're going to have to review the videotape on that one. All right, it's been confirmed. The top dog for 2015 is the 4 DeeOgee. Number 1, Frankie is second. Number 3, Trevor third. And number 6, Roger, will be fourth. So the top 4 finishers, 4, 1, 3, and 6. And let's go down to the winner's enclosure for a special interview. Let's turn it over to Drew Forster and the winning connections of DeeOgee.
Thank you, Dan. I'm down here with the winning dog. Down here with the winning dog, DeeOgee, Suzanne Fetting. How did you feel about your chances coming in today?
I felt pretty good. He had a nice long sleep and was pretty excited this morning when we woke up, so I was feeling good. I'm a very proud mom.
Excellent. Is this your first time at the races here, or did he partake last year as well?
We came here last year as well, and he came in, well, he came in second in his heat last year, but we didn't make it to this level, so it's a very exciting day.
Well, he's really matured into a very fast dog, so congratulations.
Thank you very much.
And congratulations to all our contestants. Absolutely, they're all wonderful specimens, fine bunch of wieners. Thank you.